A machine just solved a 10,000-year problem in 200 seconds. Now AI is teaching it how to break every digital lock on Earth. Right now, a clock is ticking down on the safety of the entire modern world. Trillions in encrypted data are being harvested, waiting for one machine. Bad actors are stealing your bank records and state secrets today. They can't read them yet. They're waiting for the day quantum computers unlock everything. For years, scientists said that machine was decades away. But they were wrong. Two tech giants just changed the rules. NVIDIA and Microsoft quietly shifted strategy. The race for quantum supremacy isn't a physics experiment anymore. It's an AI problem. And it's scaling faster than anyone predicted. I analyzed Google Willow, Microsoft Majorana, and NVIDIA's new quantum OS to find the truth. To understand the threat, you must unlearn computers. A normal bit is 0 or 1. A quantum bit, a qubit, is both, at once. Think of a spinning coin. It isn't heads, it isn't tails. It's a probability of both until it lands. That's superposition. Now link two coins. Spin one here, the other flips instantly on Mars. That's entanglement. This is how quantum breaks the rules. But there's a problem. Qubits are terrified of noise. A tiny vibration, a bit of heat, and the calculation dies. This is decoherence. So we build them giant freezers, colder than deep space, just to stop a single photon from ruining the math. This is the real challenge. In 2019, Google's Sycamore did a calculation in 200 seconds. Our best supercomputer would need 10,000 years. This was supremacy. Errors made it useless, until Google Willow. They achieved below threshold. Adding more qubits now reduces errors. This changes everything. Microsoft took a different path. Their Majorana 1 chip uses topology. It stores data in the shape of the system, not one spot, immune to local noise. Think of a donut. Poke it anywhere, it's still a donut. The whole, the information, survives. This makes their qubit fundamentally stable. But the biggest shift came from NVIDIA. They built the first AI operating system for quantum computers. AI is now fixing quantum errors. Humans fixing quantum errors is too slow. NVIDIA's AI does it 2.5 times faster, in real time. The bottleneck wasn't physics, it was us. The narrative has changed. It's not, will physicists figure it out? It's AI has become the operating system for quantum reality. Here's the terrifying part. Shor's algorithm lets quantum computers factor huge numbers instantly. This breaks all modern RSA encryption. Your bank account, state secrets, medical files, everything locked with current encryption will be readable. This is Q-Day. It's already happening. Harvest now, decrypt later. They're hoarding data today to unlock tomorrow. The deadline is approaching.
But it's not all dread. Quantum simulation can model molecules perfectly. We could cure diseases and design drugs in days, not decades. Optimize global logistics, solve climate models, create room temperature superconductors. The upside is a new industrial revolution.
This is the paradox. The same machine that breaks the world can also save it. We have to prepare for both outcomes now. Now for the philosophical bomb. To do its calculations, this machine uses more states than there are atoms in the observable universe. So where's the math happening? One theory, the many worlds interpretation. The computer borrows power from parallel universes. Forget magic. It's just math. A qubit is a dimmer switch. It can be 10% 0, 90% 1. Superposition is just a probability spectrum. And we fight noise with noise. Quantum interference. We send waves to cancel bad waves, like noise-canceling headphones for reality. The old story is dead. Quantum wasn't 20 years away. We were waiting for the right software. And AI just showed up. For 30 years, it was a physics problem. Now it's an engineering problem run by AI. That shift compresses the timeline from decades to years. The hardware is mostly solved. Google and Microsoft proved it.
The missing key was an operating system fast enough to manage the chaos. NVIDIA's icing is that conductor. It decodes errors and stabilizes the system in real time. AI is turning the machine on.
This is the final convergence. AI builds quantum computers. Quantum computers will then run AI models too complex for any GPU today. The revolution isn't locked in a lab anymore. The infrastructure is being built. The new bottleneck is human talent, not hardware. You don't need a PhD. You can go online today, use free tools like Quantum 101, and run high-fidelity quantum simulations on your laptop. For businesses, prepare now. Adopt NIST's new post-quantum cryptographic standards. Defend against harvest now, decrypt later attacks today. For careers, learn the skill set. The quantum workforce needs developers, not just physicists. The demand is about to explode. Investors, watch the software layer, where AI corrects quantum hardware. That's where the trillion-dollar race is being won. The machine is built. The AI is ready. The age of theory is over. The age of engineering has begun. Superposition, decoherence, Q-day, topological qubits. AI operating systems, this is the new reality. The machine exists in more states than atoms in the universe. The only question left is, what are we going to ask it to solve? And the most important question, when this power goes online, who will control it? The race isn't just for speed, it's for power. This is the new Cold War. The nation that controls stable quantum plus AI controls the next century. And right now, it's a tie. For 30 years, we thought it was impossible. A few months ago, math proved us wrong. We are no longer asking if.
We are asking when. And the answer is no longer decades. For encrypted data being harvested today, the clock is already at 0. Everything you've ever done online, every secret, every password, it's all in a vault. And someone is about to find the key. Unless we act, the new encryption standards are our only shield. The race is between the lockmakers and the lockbreakers. The tools are free. The knowledge is public. The only thing missing from this revolution is you. The hardware is solved. AI is the key. The future is no longer science fiction. Subscribe, because next we expose who's winning the Q-Day arms race.
Hey, before you go, you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Helps the channel more than you think. And drop a comment below. Tell me what you want to see next. Stick around. Your next video is waiting for you right here.